Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Archero 2 promo codes. To get Archero 2 promo codes, start by checking the official social media accounts, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, as the developers can often share codes during special events or announcements. Additionally, in-game events such as holiday celebrations or limited time challenges frequently come with promo codes as reward. Another reliable method is to visit the official Archero2 website and look for the codes section, typically found in the top right corner beside the Downloads button. Here you can view both current and long-term codes along with their associated rewards, like diamonds or coin. Simply copy the code, go to the official claiming website, enter your linked ID, and submit the code to receive your rewards directly in-game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.